Now moving on, a massive dynamite blast rocked Karnataka's Shimoga town. The blast occurred in a stationary vehicle at around 10:15 p.m. yesterday in a declared zone for crusher operation at Shimoga's Honosodu. 7 people have been killed. Quarry owner and dynamite supplier has been arrested for alleged negligence. The reason of the blast is still not known. An investigation has been launched into it. The density of the blast was so huge that it was heard across many taluks of the towns, and tremors were also felt initially. In fact, the government officials itself announced that it was a tremor and then came out quickly to say it was a dynamite blast. The noise was so loud, glasses of many houses shattered. B.S. Yediyurappa has now ordered for a high-level inquiry, announced 5 lakh compensation to those who died and the families of those who died. BSY will be visiting the site as well soon. Prime Minister Narendra Modi condoled the death of the blast victims. In a tweet, he said that he is pained by the loss of lives in Shimoga and is praying that the injured recover soon enough. The state government is now providing all possible assistance to all those affected there.
Prime Minister has tweeted also.
Taken action, and our Minister Murugesh Nirani is on the way to that spot, and our MP Raghavendra is already yesterday night. Even the morning is there only.
Okay.
And tomorrow I am going to visit, and we are going to give relief about 5 lakhs to each family.
Okay.
And enquiry is going on. Afterwards, we will take the appropriate decision.
Total how many deaths as of now?
According to me, about 4 to 5.
Prime Minister also tweeted and he said, I'm in touch with the state authorities. What
Yeah.
is the communication?
He has been in touch, and he has been really worried about the whole thing. So he has asked us to to inquire the whole thing and rehabilitate and help the people who have lost their lives.
Any compensation that you're planning?
CM will decide on that.
शिवमोगा में अमर स्टेट में ऐसा कभी नहीं हो गया है। फर्स्ट टाइम हम शिवमोगा में ये देख रहा है। ये स्पोर्ट कैसा हो गया, इसमें क्या क्या था, गिलेटिन था क्या और केप था क्या था क्या नहीं था, हमें मालूम नहीं। एक्सपर्ट्स बेंगलुरु में से आ रहा है, वो आने के बाद को क्या रिपोर्ट देता है, उसके बाद हम सभी एक्शन लेंगे।
My deepest condolence to the families of the victims and my prayers for the speedy recovery of the injured. The government will take strict action against illegal stone quarrying. The government has ordered a high-level inquiry into this tragic incident. Stringent action will be taken against the culprits responsible for the explosion.
If it is happened for other purpose, what would be the fate of this town? What would be the fate of the people of this city? One negligence. I will explain everything to the CM. I will ask them, I will request him to take rigorous action against all these fellows.
Including officers.
Including officers who are involved, who may be involved. Everybody should be punished.
Preliminarily observed that some explosives are stocked here. It was parked in a static vehicle here, and in this licensed crusher unit which is located within the safe zone. But still, why this explosive was brought here, what is the purpose for it, everything is under investigation.
Let me quickly cut across to our reporter joining live. Nolan Pinto has been tracking all the developments there. Nolan, it's so tragic. 8 people have lost their lives. What's very strange is that it's very difficult for gelatin sticks to be detonated unless it's physically done. How did the blast erupt? What really happened? Preliminary investigation suggests negligence. Is that what I hear from those officials on ground? They're constantly saying they will be punished, but what was the mistake?
Nabila, let's put the facts now out there. Where we are is a state-registered stone quarry, and there are a large number of quarry units. Let me just show you. I'm just going to ask my camera person Madhu to just show our viewers where we are. So you have a large number of quarry units, and the place, in fact, where this took place, you're going to see these visuals anytime now. You will see it there. It's about, we are standing on a hillock, and the spot is about 500 meters away from where we are, and that black spot is the mangled remains of the truck that was carrying apparently some 50 boxes of gelatin. Now, like you mentioned earlier, around 10:20, it blew up. No one knows why, what really happened. But 5 people, this is what the Chief Minister tells us, this is what the Mines and Geology Minister, who's actually down over there, Murugesh Nirani, he just went and took a look at the situation at the spot. He says that a high-level inquiry, like the Chief Minister, has been set up. This is what he says. Set up. The district authorities, especially the police, will now try and figure out what really happened. Was this because of negligence, or was this a plain accident? Because people are questioning as to a truck with 50 boxes. This is the allegations. 50 boxes of gelatin over there. No security, no cover. How was that allowed? So these are the issues that they're looking into. So we can't really say it was negligence, because the officials, politicians say that, but only until investigations are over, because in the morning no one was allowed inside there till the bomb squad came from Bangalore. After they arrived, they went inside, they sanitized the area, made sure that there were no gelatin sticks anywhere. Then only were the officials, civic officials, allowed to go in, along with the health officials, to take the bodies and take them in an ambulance to the government hospital. So it's all about waiting for the investigations to be concluded to know what really happened over here.
Highly unfortunate. Nolan, thank you very much for joining us with those details. 5 lakh compensation given to those family of deceased, but here investigation still underway to try and find out what was the real negligence that resulted in that blast.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.